This is breaking news from Nationwide Radio.
The breaking news is brought to you by the Contractor Center, providing building solutions for everyday challenges.
At 12:47 p.m. on this Friday, August 8, 2025, Nationwide News can report that the People's National Party has issued a statement in the last 3 minutes saying that it is rescheduling its parish meeting set for Sunday, August 10 in Crossroads, St. Andrew. The statement from the PNP reads in part, the PNP has always placed the interest of the Jamaican people above partisan politics. Statement says our commitment to peace, order and national stability remains unwavering, especially at this critical juncture. As part of our national mobilization campaign, the PNP has been hosting a series of well-attended parish meetings across the island. This effort began with a 2-day bus tour on July 4 and 5 and a powerful kickoff rally in Manchester on July 6. Since then, every Sunday, we've engaged the citizens directly, listening to their concerns, sharing our vision, and building the momentum for change. The final leg of this campaign was set for Sunday, August 10 in Kingston and St. Andrew, following a bus tour on Saturday, August 9. The party secured all necessary permits well in advance for the staging of this final parish meeting in Crossroads. However, the Prime Minister's belated decision to schedule a political event in Halfway Tree on the same day creates an unnecessary overlap that risks placing supporters of both parties in close proximity. In the interest of public safety and to avoid any strain on the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the PNP has made the responsible decision, the statement says, to reschedule the Kingston and St. Andrew parish meeting. New details will be announced shortly. So in part, this statement from the PNP General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, saying the PNP has rescheduled that parish meeting it was set to host in Crossroads on Sunday, paving the way for the JLP to have the run of the space in St. Andrew for its mass rally on Sunday in Halfway Tree. There were concerns about the clash and the potential crisscrossing of supporters on the road. That will no longer be an issue because the PNP says in the interest of public safety and as a display of national unity, it is rescheduling its parish meeting set for Crossroads to a date to be announced. Much more in Major News at 5.